translate any Chrome page into a different language. What you're going to need is the Google Translate app. We're going to go to the web store inside of Chrome and we're going to type in Google Translate. And when it comes up, it should look like this. And you are going to add it to Chrome. Obviously, I already have it. It's up here in my Chrome extensions toolbar. Now, I was just inside of Google Classroom. And what I want to do is I want all of the things that I have here that are in English, I want to be able to change them to, let's say, Spanish. So if I right click and I go down to translate to English, you'll see a box pop up. I can click on these three dots and choose a different language. And now, if I want to change this to Spanish, I'm going to go down to where Spanish is, check Spanish, and hit translate, and my entire page will translate into Spanish. I can do this with any of the languages that they offer. So choose a different language. I'm going to be able to choose any other language that I want. Hopefully this is going to help you with anyone that is helping students at home that speaks a different language and wants to be able to read what it is that you're posting, maybe in a Google Classroom or maybe on a different website. They'll be able to translate the web page.